Hi guys, so today we are going to make a very different and interesting smoothie or a lassi in which I'm mixing banana as a fruit and I'm using peanut butter which is very American. Just goes because I think foreigners should have a yogurt based drink which is a very healthy drink. So that's why I'm making this today. So here we go. So first we take some ice. After this we'll put some bananas. Around one and a half banana should be good for a smoothie. We'll add some peanut butter. Make sure you add a nice. Last, we'll add some yogurt. And just touch of milk to make it a nice consistency. So here's your very universal take on a lassi, which is a banana and a peanut butter lassi.